cornbread with green onions, jalapenos, honey, and cheddar. So I've cut up some green onions, dicing about 2 medium-sized jalapenos. But if you don't like it spicy, remove these seeds, okay? And I'm using a whole lot of butter. Slowly melt 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm adding in salt towards the end. I'm gonna get started on my dry ingredients. I'm gonna use a cup of cornmeal, flour, a cup, half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna give it that height. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Whisk that up a little bit, and I'm gonna get started on my wet ingredients. Buttermilk. So the buttermilk is basically gonna make the cornbread tangy, soft, and it's gonna help with that rising with the baking soda. Half a cup whole milk. I'm using honey. I think it's a little bit more pronounced than sugar. Half a cup. Gotta have something that binds this cornbread together. 2 eggs. Oh, wait, guys, butter. How did I forget my butter? Ooh, yes. So I have some cheddar cheese. Growing up in my household, we never put cheese in cornbread. I just thought this would be really cool to add with the jalapenos and the honey. I mean, I love cheese. I'm gonna grate about a cup. I'm gonna eyeball it. Looks like a cup to me. If you wanna add more, by all means add more. Now I'm gonna add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. The jalapenos, the green onions. Now I'm not using the entire cup of cheese. I'm only gonna use a half a cup because I'm gonna use the remaining cheese on top. If you overmix, what's gonna happen is you're gonna lose that height and that fluffiness. Just mix it enough until where it's incorporated, that's it. Oh, wow. The butter that was left in the pan is kind of like seeping over the top. If you want to sneak a little peek in the oven, you'll see the butter bubbling on top. Oh my gosh. Make sure no air pockets are in there. I'm gonna bake this at 375 for 25 minutes. Pull it out. After 25 minutes, add the remaining cheese on top and then bake it again for another 15 minutes. Woo! That looks amazing. I'm gonna let it sit. It's gonna create this really nice crispy crust.
How much jalapenos you put in here?
Do you taste it?
I do, and it's not spicy, like hot, but it's good.